child's learning journey has to start when? Now. Okay, so at Writers at Work, actually 45% of our cohort, they're able to achieve A1 and A2, which is actually double the national average, right? So what is it that we do here? What's that magic pill we give your kids, right? Okay, so I will share what is it that we do. So we have these 3 things here. Okay, so first of all, building content knowledge, right? Now, building content knowledge has to be done over time. Okay, so starting from Sec 1, the earlier you start, the more time you have. Okay, so part of building content knowledge is also building topical knowledge. So exposing them to broad topics such as, environment, youth issues, because sometimes they may have questions like, teenagers find life is boring. Do you agree? Okay. So children actually need a list of curated materials for reading. Okay. Next, weekly practice and training is something that they need. So students come here every week for 2 hours, right? So they commit themselves to that 2 hours. Parents commit themselves to bringing them here every week as well. Okay, so weekly practices help them get used to doing English. Okay, so like I mentioned, the English paper is made up of 4 papers, right? So weekly practices are important. And when they do practices at home, just keep in mind, you can't just give them a paper, expect them to do it, and then, okay, chuck it aside. Yeah? You have to mark them, you need to talk through the process, and you need to correct their work so that they know what they have done wrong and what they have done right. Okay? Finally, revision and exam application. So nearer to exams, this needs to be done on a regular basis. So for example, if they're doing 1 essay per week, closer to the exam, they probably need to do 2. Okay? So this is basically what we do here. And you can try doing this at home too. But in order to do that, now you need to be familiar with the topics that are covered so that you can curate the materials for your child. Yeah? Okay, so again, English is L1. So children need to come for regular lessons so that they get the practice they need, build their stamina and their knowledge.